So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched base meme coin, the next 1000x potential meme coin here, the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. And this meme coin is very unique because you can see this meme coin, okay, belongs to Hyperliquid ecosystem. Okay, that's the unique thing about this meme coin. This meme coin is not working in Solana or Ethereum or maybe Bastion. Okay, this meme coin is working in Hyperliquid ecosystem, so that's amazing director for this meme coin. That's the unique thing about this meme coin that we can see is massive hype soon. And since last 3 days this meme coin is trading on CoinGecko here. Okay, since last 3 days this meme coin is trending on CoinGecko, so this is the amazing, and that's why maybe we can see this magic sale listing soon here. Okay, per snap and current price is $0.14. You can see current market cap is already $89 million here. $89 million market cap meme coin, so that's amazing. Circulation supply is nearly 600 million coins. Okay, and total supply is same all in circulation. That is awesome. Last 24-hour trading volume is $3.2 million, so that's crazy because still this meme coin is not listed on any centralized exchange. First, I can see on Hyperliquid scan. Okay, all the details are provided here. Okay, that is total supply is 599 million coins. Okay, in circulation. Okay, same supply. So that's amazing. There are no more token left to come in circulation in future. That is amazing. And first, you can see this meme coin has made its all-time high just 5 days ago, from where just 24% down, and its all-time low was a month ago, from where we are just 65% up only. Okay, so this meme coin is still are in our buying range here. Okay, this meme coin is not pump huge here. Okay, but maybe we can see centralized exchange listing soon, because only listed on one dex, that is on dex. Okay, Hyperliquid dex, where this meme coin is listed. But definitely this meme coin is making its hype. Okay, continuously trending here, so that's why maybe major exchanges can list this meme coin. Okay, maybe MEXC or some other exchanges can also list soon this meme coin here. And first you can see it's also have a awesome burning mechanism. Here you can see burn from trading fees, so that's good. Okay, the trading fees will be burned here, so this is good. That is circulation supply will be decreased here. Okay, so time to time circulation supply will be decreased, so that's awesome. That we can see is less supply. Okay, time to time here. So friends, I think maybe we can see its market cap by the end of next year mega bullion up to 5 to maybe $10 billion here, because this narrative is awesome, because this very unique meme coin working on Hyperliquid ecosystem, okay, on blockchain. So that's awesome. That's why this meme coin can make the massive hype here, and maybe we can see its major exchange listing soon here. Maybe MEXC, Gadget.io, KuCoin, these type of exchanges can list soon this meme coin because of its good trading volume, good market cap, good hype right now in these days. Okay, in crypto market, so that's awesome. Maybe we can see its market cap maybe up to 5 to $10 billion here, and this price can reach up to 10 to maybe $20 by the end of this mega bullion. What your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.